There is an accessory on some Range Rovers, and they're deployable side steps. Personally, I don't like them because I either reach in to get something out and they catch me on the shin, or when I'm getting out, I get out too quickly, like a bull in a china shop, like I do everything, and then the deployable side step comes out and puts a dirty mark on the back of my pants. So if I open the door here, there you go, you'll see the side step come out, and when you shut the door, the side step goes away. Now, what you can do, if you want to switch them off, so there's a button down here. If I put my foot on the brake, hold that, click start, orange light flash then. If I open the door, there you go, side step hasn't come out. In order to switch it back on again, we do the same thing. Finger on the button there, start the car, you'll see the light there, and then when we open the door, that's it, side step comes out. So that's how you do it.